Hi Taurus, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your love bite now. Taurus, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you out there. Take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. So Taurus, let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Taurus and send them the messages they need to hear the most about their love life now. Thank you. So Taurus, as always, we will start with our angel blessing card to see what blessing, advice, guidance, or message comes through for you. So my angels, a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for my Taurus gang, please. This one, okay. Let's keep this one here, Taurus. Put the rest back. And the card I have here for you, Taurus, is commitment. So I don't know what this card means for you, Taurus, but according to the book, yes, this could be relating to a commitment. Maybe you're looking for one, not getting one, or somebody wants to commit to you. But according to the explanation of this card, Taurus, it also means committing to yourself. You have to first and foremost commit to yourself, give yourself that 100% before you can expect or offer any commitment to anyone else. Okay, so let's put this card here, Taurus, and let's see why this card is here for you today. So welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for all your love, care, share, your likes and your comments to the channel. It really keeps me motivated. Thank you so much. And also a big thank you to the ones who've actually sent donations to the channel to offer their thanks. I'm very grateful. I'm very obliged. Thank you so much. And yes, if you're new here, Taurus, do join us. We are an Omkara family. Do subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So newbies, I'm setting down a simple 9-card spread just to check your energies as to what message needs to come through for you today. Your longer reads have already been put up and more are coming. I think your next read is on Thursday. Okay, so look forward to that. And the one that I've just posted, I will leave a couple of links at the end of the video. Somebody is very angry here, Taurus. Somebody is very upset, very angry here. Is that you? I hope not. Let's open the cards and see what's going on. Temperance, 8 of Wands in reverse, 6 of Swords, 2 of Wands, Knight of Swords. Okay, there's been a fight here. Okay. King of Swords, 6 of Cups, and the 6 of Pentacles. Sorry, 6 of Cups. 6 of Pentacles and the 6 of Cups. Let's see what's going on here. From my first look to the spread here, I feel somebody is kind of going through some healing right now after there's been some no communication. Maybe the relationship has taken a wrong turn and people are just kind of waiting and watching as to see what's going to happen. There's been a big fight here, or some harsh words have been spoken by a person who's been pretty selfish, I would feel. They have spoken or done something which has really hurt their partner. So let's see what's going on. Taurus and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other, what would that be? Taurus and their person. Taurus and their person not talking. The cards keep flipping right back in. Look, they flip and they flip right back in. Okay, one more. Okay, thank you. Let's take a couple more from this deck. All right. That was a strong one. Thank you. Let's take this one first. I get so fucking jealous that you are in bed with the karmic at night. I feel sick to my stomach at the thought of you fucking them. Okay, now that could have been the reason for this huge fight, and no wonder somebody is very upset and very angry here. Maybe they got their partner cheating or know about it. Aren't you tired of overthinking and being so hard on yourself? You can deliver yourself out of this pain, fear, and frustration, and you will see what I have seen in you all along. Maybe the partner cheats because they don't believe in themselves or don't believe that they can have a beautiful, loving connection in their life. And their person is saying, hey, listen, why do you just keep overthinking that you can never have a loving, good connection? And that's the reason I think this person goes out and has affairs or does whatever, because they actually have low self esteem and low self worth. I can't bear the thought of you being with someone else. I get so jealous. I just want you to be mine. Now, again, this is another indication of somebody caught cheating here. And the partner is feeling very upset and jealous and angry. Next card says, I'm silent due to going through the dark night of the soul. I feel like an emotional roller coaster and don't have the strength to communicate with you right now. Obviously, if this is the person who's caught their partner, they obviously are in a state which is going to require a lot of healing to get over whatever they have found out. Or if it is the other person, now that they know that their partner has caught them, now they don't know what to say or how to get back. Yes, this could be the other partner, because the next card says, letting you walk away from me is my biggest regret. I should have fought for you and for us. Next card says, the silence is so unbearable between us. No communication, like I said, right? The silence is so unbearable between us. I wonder if you're punishing me because of the 3D challenges, or did I push you away due to believing the obstacles in our lives were too great to overcome? I surrender and trust in God and divine timing. If it's meant to be, it will be. Last card says, no matter how complicated this gets, I won't ever give up on you or us. Now you would know, Taurus, if this is your story, either you're feeling some of this or maybe your partner is. I'll leave you to that, and let's kind of get on with the reading. So yes, this could be a matter of somebody not being able to commit in a relationship as they have another partner. Maybe they don't have the strength right now to do the right thing, and that's really hurting their partner. So Temperance Spirit, Temperance. One more. Somebody was trying to heal this connection here, Taurus. Somebody was trying to get maybe their partner to come back, to choose them, but I think their partner blocked them. They didn't allow this union to come through or heal the connection, and because of that, I think there's been some kind of an argument, some fight about maybe a third-party situation, and there is no communication between the two of you. This relationship has kind of gone the wrong direction right now. Both of you are feeling that it's maybe over, or it can't work out. It's instead of going into a more peaceful place, now it's gone to a place where things are rocky, or there's been a fight, and both of you missing this beautiful love connection, I think that was or had the potential of being. Two of Wands, Spirit, Two of Wands. Somebody is still waiting, somebody is still waiting, somebody is still thinking, how do I get out of this overthinking, overstress? They're actually at crossroads right now because they can't find a way to have a new beginning, or maybe end an old connection and have a new beginning. They definitely do want to come out of this stress and overthinking of what should be done. One person is totally at a crossroads right now after this very weird or very angry fight has happened maybe between the two of you. Knight of Swords, Spirit, Knight of Swords. This is a very deep soul connection, Taurus. This is a beautiful friendship. Maybe you guys could have known each other for a long time, or you feel like you're best friends to each other. But this fight has kind of ruined it. This could be a fight regarding anything. This could be a fight regarding a third person who's coming in between your connection. Maybe your person is in a different relationship, they are in a different marriage or something. And yes, this this could be a third party situation. Yeah, I have a three of cups here as well. And somebody is wanting to reconcile with their partner, but maybe they are being a little selfish right now. They're not being able to take action. And yes, there's been a huge fight here. The Queen of Swords in reverse with the King of Wands in reverse, right? So there is upset, anger. I have the Queen of Swords twice here. So I do see a feminine energy who is been very, very upset with the selfishness of their partner. Now, don't take the genders very seriously. There is one person who's been selfish, the other person has been wanting their partner back to be with them and not be with third parties, but maybe that decision was not made. King of Swords spirit, what's this King of Swords? There is a need to end this fight here, Taurus, but I think somebody is not communicating very well. They they may be not saying what should be said or behaving in a very harsh and rude manner, not being emotional, and their partner feels, hey, this person has just been emotionally manipulating me or tricking me all this while. Is it the right time maybe that I should just give up on them? How long am I going to wait? I am looking for a partnership which is equal and has equal give and take. I'm not interested in all these fights. I want a balanced relationship in my life. How long am I going to wait around for somebody who is never going to do the right thing by me? Even though they feel a very strong connection, this Six of Cups is here again, they feel a strong connection, they feel a strong soulmate connection, this has been a long partnership, but right now they feel there is no chance maybe of taking this relationship into a better place. Unless somebody makes a decision to actually be single, to take back their power and go towards the person and commit, there's going to be a problem, right? So what's this decision that Taurus or the person, yes, they have to end something. Something has to be ended. They have to make themselves single and available to be able to have a new connection or that old connection which is seeming so strong. But I don't think somebody is, and maybe there's been an argument regarding that. Even though a reunion is desired here between two soulmates, I think there's been a huge fight where things are a bit rocky right now. So yes, it could be concerning a commitment here. Okay, either somebody else's commitment to someone else or they not being able to commit to their partner and take a stance here. So that's all I have for you, Taurus. I will see you now next Thursday. Till then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.